We just got back from finding out the gender of our third child, and Everett and Oliver and Amy are about to walk in and find out what it is. So here's their reaction. What's that mean?
Aww. What is it? What is it?
Boy.
Why don't you want a boy?
I want a girl.
Oh, why did you want a girl?
Because.
Oh, well, I'm excited because now you have another brother. Somebody else that you can play baseball with, and somebody else that will like superheroes and Skylander and Disney Infinity. You're going to have another brother. Well, I'm excited. Oliver is going to be a boy.
I don't like it.
Everett. What does this say? Look what he got you. Look what he got you. One for you, a blue bunny. And a blue bunny for you. Yeah, do you like it? I hope you will get happy.
I wanted a girl.
Well, remember, we take whatever God gives us, right? And I have good news. The baby was really healthy. The doctor said everything with the baby looks really good. It's growing good. And remember, that's what we wanted, right?
Uh-huh.
So it's a healthy baby boy. It's so exciting.
I never played boom. I played boom Friday.
You're playing
I
balloons?
wanted a girl.
I know, honey, but you know what? We'll take whatever God gives us, and it's going to be fun. It's going to be 4 boys and 1 girl. Poor mommy.
Uh-oh.
Ah!
Yeah.
What are you going to name your bunny?
That's from your baby brother, your new baby.
You know what, Mommy?
You tell him thank you?
Did you see what it has on his foot? It says 2014, and that's the year your little brother's going to be born. Isn't that cool?
Oh, yeah.
Did you tell him thank you?
Thank you, Baba.
What should we name him?
My bunny?
Yeah.
Your bunny.
He's the dad that had Carrot.
That's Carrot's dad.
Yeah, but Carrot comes with me a lot, and his dad does that.